When will I get my refund on eSmart tax? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about when will you get your refund on eSmart tax. The time frame for receiving your tax refund after filing through eSmart tax or any other tax preparation service is influenced by various factors. The first one is filing method. Opting for the electronic filing, which is e-file, generally expedites the refund process compared to the filing or prepared return. E-file returns are typically processed more swiftly by the IRS. It is crucial to ensure that your tax return is error-free and contains all the necessary information. Inaccuracies or omissions can lead to delays in processing your return and consequently in issuing your refund. The IRS typically issues most refunds within 21 days of receiving an electronically filed tax return, provided there are no issues. And however, the processing times can fluctuate based on factors like return complexity, IRS workload, and any processing complications that may arise. The method you choose to receive your refund can impact the processing time. Direct deposit to a bank account is usually the quickest option, while receiving a paper check by mail takes longer. Refund processing durations may lengthen during the peak tax season, typically spanning from January to April. You can monitor the status of your refund by utilizing the IRS Where is My Refund tool on their website. This tool offers real-time updates on your refund status from approval to scheduled disbursement, and it is really important to note that despite the IRS efforts to expedite the refunds, delays beyond their control may occur. If you have specific inquiries regarding your refund status or concerns about the specific inquiries, you can directly reach out to the IRS or refer to their website for the additional information. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.